Hello, this is Superintendent Director Tom Hickey bringing you a long-range facility plan update for fiscal 2016 and projections for our facilities plan for fiscal 2017. We'll take a 6-month look back at the projects that are underway and completed, talk a little bit about the boiler replacement through the MSBA's Accelerated Repair Program, and get into more detail on some ideas we have for fiscal 2017 facility plan items. First off, we've accomplished a lot in 6 months. In our instructional areas, we've renovated our school restaurant, the Brass Lantern, as well as our cosmetology, computer information tech, graphic communications, and electronics shop areas. And we've finished renovating all of the classrooms in the 1962 building. In our general areas, we've installed a new boiler. It's nearly complete. We have additional parking in the front for visitors coming to our salon and restaurant. We've tiled our 200 wing and also in the back of the cafeteria, installed a new hydration station near the main office, and renovated the ladies' faculty restroom. Here's a picture of the new floor in the Brass Lantern restaurant. The restaurant is open to the public Tuesday through Friday from 11:30 to 1:15. We expanded our cosmetology program by renovating an adjacent classroom to allow more space for underclassmen. In our electronics shop, we made better use of space for storage and instructor space, as well as student workstation space. Similarly, in computer information technology, in order to accommodate an increase of student enrollment, we centralized and streamlined our storage, allowing for more student workstations. And in graphic communications, our instructors are expanding into silk screening, and so our staff built silk screening rooms where students can create and dry silk screens. Here are some pictures of the new boiler being installed. As I said, this is something that will be completed very soon, and we had a portion of this project paid for through the Massachusetts School Building Authority. Here's an aerial and ground view of the visitor parking spots that we had installed in front of our school restaurant and salon. Here's the new tile floor in the 200 wing. The classrooms in this wing are our science classrooms. Here's the hydration station outside of the gymnasium. Students take advantage of this both during the day and for after-school events. And here's the renovated ladies' faculty bathroom. This was completed by our staff. On this slide, which I used in last year's presentation, I want to give you an overview of some of the projects that we were working on in the back of the building. From left to right, if you notice in blue, the students constructed a concession stand with 2 bathrooms. In green, you'll notice there's an area near our school barn where we had a foundation put in for where we will have an eventual maintenance building built by our students. In orange and in gray, I point to an area that was a grassy area with some rented storage units on it. That's now all been removed, and we have additional parking and better traffic flow in the back of the building. Some additional pictures will follow. Thanks to our electrical, carpentry students and their instructors in our maintenance department, here's our new concession stand. In the upper left corner, that's a picture of the foundation next to our school barn. The kids will build from that foundation up when they're done with a project they're working on in Hanover right now. And in the lower right, you'll see additional parking. Here's a drawing of our new maintenance building as it will be constructed from both the school side and also from the ball field side. We have several projects that are in progress or planned this year. We're going to install wireless pneumatic controls so that we can control temperature in the 1962 building remotely. We're also going to be replacing a water bubbler in the 1992 edition. It'll be a second hydration station near the lecture hall. We will be replacing several internal doors, and we'll also, as I said, be building a maintenance building in the back. Here's a projection for fiscal 2017. Lots of upgrades to keep the school modern and be responsive to the instructional needs of students and staff. Some lighting and LED upgrades, repairs for sidewalk and curb enhancements, finishing the renovation of our nurse's office with the cabinets and countertop. As I mentioned, door replacements, water bubbler replacements in the 1962 building, which will round out all of our replacements for water bubblers and hydration stations. Painting in the hallways, loading dock renovation, upgrades in our student bathrooms in the 1962 building, improvements with building security, including fencing and speed bumps in the back of the building, as well as some hallway wall repair and soundproofing panels in the lecture hall. I hope the facility plan update has been helpful to give you a sense of our progress on the projects, as well as our plan for the future. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. This plan, as well as a fiscal 2017 budget presentation, will be uploaded to our school's website, ssvotech.org. Thank you.